Welcome back to Auto Update. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Auto Raksha, a vehicle that's redefining urban mobility. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of what we expect from a three-wheeler. Let's dive right in, starting with the design. The 2026 Auto Raksha is a head-turner. Gone are the boxy, outdated looks of traditional models. Instead, we have a sleek, aerodynamic body with sharp lines and modern curves. The front grille is bold and stylish, paired with LED headlights that not only look great but also provide superior visibility at night. And the color options, from classic whites and blacks to vibrant reds and blues. This Auto Raksha is designed to make a statement. Under the hood, or rather, under the seat, the 2026 Auto Raksha is powered by an advanced electric motor. This makes it not only eco-friendly but also incredibly cost-effective to run. With zero emissions, it's perfect for city commuting, especially in areas with strict environmental regulations. The battery offers an impressive range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, and with fast charging capabilities, you can get back on the road in no time. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The 2026 Auto Raksha is packed with tech features that make it a true modern vehicle. The dashboard features a digital display that shows everything from battery status to navigation. Yes, this Auto Raksha comes with built-in navigation, so you'll never get lost in the maze of city streets. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to control music, calls, and more with just a tap. Safety has also been a major focus in the design of this vehicle. The 2026 Auto Raksha comes equipped with advanced braking systems, including ABS, to ensure smooth and safe stops. The sturdy frame and reinforced body provide added protection, while features like seat belts and a rear-view camera enhance safety for both the driver and passengers. Comfort is another area where this Auto Raksha shines. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent support even on longer rides. The suspension system is tuned to handle rough roads with ease, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey. And for those hot summer days, the built-in cooling system keeps you comfortable no matter how high the temperature rises. Connectivity is another standout feature. The 2026 Auto Raksha comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing you to stay connected on the go. Whether you want to stream music, make hands-free calls, or even check your route, this vehicle has you covered. There's even a USB port for charging your devices, so you'll never run out of battery while on the road. When it comes to storage, the 2026 Auto Raksha doesn't disappoint. Despite its compact size, it offers plenty of space for your belongings. The rear compartment is spacious enough for groceries, luggage, or even small packages if you're using it for deliveries. The seats can also be folded to create additional storage space, making it a versatile option for both personal and commercial use. Now, let's talk about the price. While the exact figures haven't been announced yet, early reports suggest that the 2026 Auto Raksha will be competitively priced, making it an affordable option for a wide range of customers. When you factor in the advanced features, eco-friendly design, and low maintenance costs, it's clear that this vehicle offers incredible value for money. So, there you have it, the 2026 Auto Raksha, a perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're a daily commuter or a small business owner, this vehicle is set to change the way we think about urban transport. What do you think about this futuristic Auto Raksha? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rare Auto Update for more updates on the latest in the world of automobiles. Until next time, stay tuned and drive safe.